students, welcome to online class. Let's start our class from part number 8 of question number 5. So here we have the statement that is sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. We have to show this equation equal to 7 plus tangent square A plus cot square A. So let's start our solution by taking left hand side. So in left hand side you can see that here we can use the identity which is A plus B whole square similarly in the second bracket. So let's start by using the identity in first bracket as well as in the second bracket. So by using the identity, and the identity is A plus B whole square, which is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So we will write here sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A and cosecant A. This is the sign of multiplication here, dot. This is the sign of multiplication. In the second bracket, similarly, by using the same identity, we have cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A and secant A. Now find out what will be our solution here. What we can do here? Sin square A and cos square A. We have an identity of both of the terms, sin square A and cos square A. We know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So we can write here. So put these two terms in a same bracket. Next, cosecant square A. Write this term as it is. Plus, in this term, we know that sin A and cosecant, these two terms are reciprocal of each other. So we can write in the place of cosecant 1 by sin A. In the place of cosecant. Next is secant square A. Write this term as it is. Secant A. We know that cos and secant, these two terms are reciprocal of each other. हमने 8.1 एक्सरसाइज में ये पढ़ा था that sin is equal to 1 by cosecant, cos is equal to 1 by secant. Now what we can do here? Sin and sin we can cancel, cos and cos we can cancel. So in the first bracket we can write here as 1 plus cosecant square A. Here we have just 2 secant square A plus 2. So add all the constant 2, 2 and 1. We have 5. Now check it out with the right hand side. क्या हमें वो आंसर मिला है जो हमें चाहिए? No. We need the constant 7, but we have here 5. Cosecant square A, but we need here tangent and cot, and we have just here cosecant and secant. What we can do here? We can use here trigonometric identities, square identities. We know that cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square, and secant square A इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस टेंजेंट स्क्वायर। ऐसा हमने क्यों किया? बिकॉज आंसर में हमें वो टर्म्स चाहिए। कैसे पता लगेगा कि इसके बाद हमें ये आइडेंटिटीज यूज करनी है? आंसर से मैच करो। इन क्वेश्चंस का प्लस पॉइंट यही है कि आपके सामने आंसर है, आपको आंसर को देखते हुए काम करना है। वैसे हमारा क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे फिनिश था, बट हमने देखा जो आंसर में चाहिए वो अभी हमें नहीं मिला। दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू यूज दीज आइडेंटिटीज। सो इन प्लेस ऑफ कोसिकेंट we can write 1 plus cot square, and in place of secant we can write 1 plus tangent square. So this is our final answer, 5, 6 and 7 plus tangent square a plus cot square a. So this is our final answer. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Next is part number 9. Statement is cosecant A minus sin A. Part number 9. Cosecant A minus sin A. In the second bracket, secant A minus cos A. And in right hand side 1 by tangent A plus cot A. Again we will start the same procedure. With the same procedure we will do left hand side is equal to right hand side. Start from left hand side. कोसिकेंट ए माइनस साइन ए, तो हमारा मेथड सेम रहेगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेंज द रेशियो इन द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, दैट मीन्स इन साइन एंड कोस। सो कोसिकेंट के प्लेस पर हम यहां लिख सकते हैं 1 बाय साइन ए। सिमिलरली इन द सेकेंड ब्रैकेट सेकेंड, चेंज द सेकेंड इनटू कोस। Now what we can do here? Take the LCM. So in first bracket LCM will be sine. So 1 minus sine square A. And in the second bracket cos. So 1 minus cos square A. Here we can use the identity because we know that sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So in the place of 1 minus sine square A, we can write cos square A. Open the bracket. In the place of bracket, we can write here multiplication, and 1 minus cos square A, this is equal to sine square A. Cancel the terms, sine and sine, cos and cos. So we have our final answer is cos A multiply sine A, right? But match with right hand side. Is this our final answer? No. हमें तो right hand side में ये टर्म चाहिए, but इसके बाद तो further कोई solution होता ही नहीं है, and this is also in the simplest form. तो आगे हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Just leave the left hand side and start to solve right hand side. So when we start solve right hand side, one by tangent A plus cot A. What will be our solution? First of all, change these ratio in the simplest form. That means in sine and cos. So we can write here 1 by, in the place of tangent, sine A by cos A, and in the place of cot, cos A by sine A. Next, take the LCM in the denominator. न्यूमिनेटर में 1 ही है, उसको वैसे ही रखो. जस्ट टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ द टर्म्स ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. सो डिनोमिनेटर में एलसीएम विल बी cos A एंड sin A. कैसे करते हैं एलसीएम? डिनोमिनेटर की टर्म्स को कैंसिल करते हैं, जो बचता है उसको न्यूमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई. सो दिस इज sin square A. Similarly, sine and sine cancel. Cos, multiply cos with cos, we have cos square A. So 1 by sine square A plus cos square A. We know that this is equal to 1 and cos A and sine A. 1, 2, 3 जब भी हमारी टर्म्स इस तरह से 3 या 4 फॉर्म में हो जाती है, हम क्या करते हैं, इस टर्म का जब न्यूमरेटर के पास लेके जाते हैं, वी हैव टू डू द रेसिप्रोकल. सो वी विल राइट हियर cos A and sin A and 1. 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 1 से डिवाइड करो, इट विल बी सेम. So this is our solution of right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So sometimes हमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस में ऐसा करना पड़ता है, हमें दोनों ही साइड्स को सोल्व करना पड़ता है. Write every formula which you are using, like here we are using the identity, here we will use tangent A, that sine by cos. Mention every formula in the bracket. Okay.